Well, greetings and salutations, test takers. This is Dean Tenney coming to you from my studio here in fabulous Las Vegas. Just finishing up some explication requests over the weekend. If you don't have a Kaplan Q Bank, I highly recommend it as a paid supplement. The best free supplement is my YouTube channel, but paid supplement for Q Bank, Kaplan Q Bank, get 10% off with my Guru 10 discount code at checkout. I also recommend the quick sheets. For that commercial, you get a free look at Kaplan content. We'll help you with anything. Just easier if it's Kaplan because I can bring it up backstage. When I ask you the QID number, I'm asking you the number you see in the right-hand corner. This is 1392800. So, some of you seem to be confused about when I ask what is the QID. All right, let's go over this question this test taker wanted help with. The pipeline theory, also known as the conduit theory of taxation, helps mutual funds reduce the impact of what? Well, let's just review what that is, subchapter M, conduit or pipeline theory. The IRS has been kind enough to say that as long as a mutual fund passes through 90% of its net investment income, a great memory aid device for this is DI 90. DI 90, D for dividends on the stocks on the portfolio, plus interest, I, interest on the bonds on the portfolio, less expenses, E, whatever that number is, 90%. Don't think you have to crunch it. Now, if we didn't have that, what would happen is Exxon, I'll just pick Exxon, for example, would make money, pay taxes, tax number one. And then Exxon pays a dividend. And the dividend to the shareholders is taxable. It's coming out of the earnings. That's tax number two. That's double taxation. Now, if we didn't have subchapter M, what would happen is Exxon would make money, pay taxes on the earnings. Out of the earnings, they'd pay the mutual fund a dividend. The mutual fund would then pay a tax. That'd be tax number two. And then they'd distribute that to me, and I'd pay the tax again. That would be tax number three. That would be triple taxation. And so by having subchapter M, the IRS has been kind enough to say to the mutual fund, as long as you pipe that through, pipeline or conduit it through to the shareholders, they'll get the money from the shareholders. So that's going to reduce the impact of triple taxation, right? Because if we didn't have that, I just gave you an example. Corporation makes money, pays taxes on the earnings. Corporation pays a dividend out of those earnings. There's a tax on the dividends. That's double taxation. And so it is double taxation. If we didn't have subchapter M, it would be triple taxation. So hope you found that helpful. Remember, inch by inch, your exam is a cinch. Yard by yard, your exam is hard. And I'll get caught up here on these weekend requests at some point later today. Bye-bye.